we're back at Alton Towers to check out everything new for 2026. Here we are then, Ev, 2026 season, Alton Towers. Are you ready?
Very ready.
And we're going to be checking out everything new today. So we're going to be walking around the park, seeing what kind of things have been done, improvements have been made, see what we can find. But we're kicking off outside the park, aren't we?
Yeah, so the first thing that's new is they've done the
Voila!
Courtscrew.
They have done the Courtscrew.
I'm not going to lie, I'm not a fan.
I'm not, no. I mean, to be honest, we're from a different kind of generation coming up. It wasn't quite that colour. It was a bit more...
It was a bone colour. It was like really light creamy colour.
It was a bit like Old Nemesis, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was a little bit.
That's how we can remember Courtscrew. But apart that was its original colours, Ev.
Yeah, but I would prefer it to be purple and gold to match with the rest of Alton Towers.
It looks like some Smiler sped off, doesn't it?
It does, doesn't it? But maybe it'll grow on me.
Yeah, maybe it will. But at least they've given it a nice good lick of paint. To be fair, it's nice and bright.
At least it's looking fresh.
It really is, but there's a lot of things looking fresh around the park, so we get ourselves in and see what we can find.
Come on then.
We've made it in, haven't we?
We have.
And Tower Street's looking nice and fresh this season.
It does look really fresh, and to kick it off is the frogs.
The frogs, they've designed them yet again. They're looking really fresh actually, shall we show you? There we go guys, the frogs. Looking really good this year, aren't they?
Yeah, so they did actually paint them before pirates.
Yeah, they did, didn't they? So they're nice and fresh this year. They ain't got no name tags this year though.
No, they're wrapping Alton After Dark.
I mean, why not, to be fair?
I've just realised they've got like a little DJ set over there. That is really cool.
Lily pad lighting. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
That is really cool.
But no, as you can see guys, Tower Street's always lovely when you walk in, isn't it? Nice and fresh.
Yes, but there is one other thing that's new on Tower Street.
Is there?
Yes, we do have a big change. So the duo and trio fast tracks for CBeebies Land. So we know that they're coming in ready for Bluey.
Yeah.
But they don't start until at the end of the month, I believe.
I think it's just Bluey on the 30th, but you can get the rest now.
Right, okay, cool. And then they have actually changed the fast tracks as well. So you've got bronze, silver and gold now.
Yeah, so it's slightly different tiers there. I think you just got a selection of rides per different ones you want. Pretty cool. So it does look like the fast track's being a bit reinvented this year, doesn't it?
It is, yes.
I think it's £7 and £10 for the CBeebies ones, if you want the duo or the trio.
Yeah.
Which I don't think it's too bad actually, if you get your kids, especially if you just don't want to wait and get your kids on the ride.
Yeah, definitely. I don't think that's too badly priced, I don't.
But it's not even a few steps further, Ev. What have we got just here?
Coffee.
Coffee. We do love a coffee.
Yeah, I do like that they put those extra seats out, because that is one thing that we did say before, that we could have a few more benches around here. So, and then there's like an actual cart outside, so that's really cool.
Yeah, that's a really good thing actually, to be fair.
I wonder if you can get the £5 mail-in deal there.
It'll be something we find out at some point, won't it? We'll definitely stay tuned on the channel, guys. But no, I'm glad to see that. That's a nice little addition, isn't it, outside there? Especially on the sunny Staffordshire weather like today. Something new, but it's not quite open just yet.
No, next weekend.
It will be Bluey. You can see just in the background there. A little bit of the green.
It looks pretty high to be a kid's coaster.
It does look pretty high. There you go.
And it's got I think a height restriction of 0.9.
I think so. I mean, we're a bit big for it, to be honest, aren't we?
Yeah, we are a little bit. It's not aimed for us.
No, but if you are running down to Bluey over this season, that's where you'll be going in to see BB's there, and it's just right at the right down there.
It is indeed. It's taken over from Postman Pat.
It has, unfortunately. R.I.P. Pat, unfortunately, and Jester Cat. You will be missed.
You will.
You will be missed. So we see what else we can find around the park then, just by the Smiler Rev, aren't we? And there is plenty of new merch. If you do want to see loads of the new merch, check out the full video, guys.
Please do.
But there's something we have to show off in there.
Yeah, it's the marmalizer.
It's the marmalizer. It's brilliant, isn't
so
it?
Cool. And I really like the snow globe as well.
Yeah, so if you have seen the shop tour video, it's a bit of a spoiler ending there. I'm not going to give anything away. Please watch it. But there may be a part 2 on the way. So hopefully more merch release throughout the season.
Hopefully.
Usually is. That's a good sign, isn't it? Really cool. I do like that marmalizer. It's up there for the Nemesis resin for me.
It is. Oh, I like the joggers. Oh, and they've got grey ones as well.
Yeah, and that's the new top and hoodie. Oh,
nice.
New merch everywhere. Well, just by Oblivion here, aren't we?
We are.
And nothing new, as you can see. Not a lot of nothingness here.
Yeah, but you heard the rumour.
Have you? Well, Alton Bears told us. He definitely hasn't.
No, he's cleared way for the new flat ride.
What if, Ev? What if that's been what's happening?
Exactly, because they've utilised the food trucks elsewhere, which you might see coming up in the video.
Yeah, so, I mean, there's a lot of room. It looks very clear down there. Looks like there's been some cleaning up and things. You never know. They did a lot of work before Top Skater was built, didn't they?
They did indeed.
So, who's to say we could see a flat ride down here back at X Sector very soon.
Yeah, I'm going with a gyro swing.
Making our way out of X Sector, aren't we, Ev?
Way downtown. Yeah, so there is a new menu in Just Chicken, but we're going to check that out in a different video.
So stay subscribed on the channel, guys. But as we're heading over to Dark Forest, we've got this lovely new floor they put in for us here, Ev.
Yeah, it's a lot better.
We noticed it on opening day, didn't we?
We did.
No, it looks pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It was always quite steep and slippy, this bit, wasn't
It was a little bit, but I think it's a little bit easier now.
Yeah, I think it's a bit better now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, quite like it. Well done, Towers. And it feels like every few steps there's something new, haven't there?
There is. So, Alton After Dark, which it is currently, there's a new light show.
On the towers, just right there.
And it looks really, really cute.
It looks really good. We haven't seen it properly yet, unfortunately, have we?
We saw it from a distance.
We saw it from a distance all the way by Battle Galleons there, but no, it looks really good. I'll put a little clip in there for you guys, but no, something new, something additional.
Cute.
Nice, yeah. Well, we headed up to Hexa. I don't even know what you call this area, Hev. What would you call it?
Outside Dark Forest.
Outside Dark Forest, that's what we'll call it. But as you can see, guys, it's pumping round here now.
It really is. With them putting all the new food trucks in, which we're going to have a look at in another video, it's really brought everyone down here and it's buzzing.
Yeah, as you can see, it's not really something brand new, it's just a new area for these trucks, but they definitely utilised a lot more up here than they were at Oblivion.
And they've changed them because that one's sweet treats.
Yeah.
There's a taste wagon.
That's loaded fries, and I think that's
Pizza.
Pizza.
So we will have a closer look at the menus in a different video, like we said. But yeah, how great is that?
Yeah, as I say, we're going to be looking at all the different kind of food this year on offer. But no, it's just nice to see. It's obviously bringing people here. I think we just need a few more seats, Towers, to be honest.
Yeah,
now, don't we,
because
really?
look, they're all loving the benches over there.
But they're all in the shade.
Yeah.
We need them in the sun. Let's get some
get some
new
more.
benches in. It'd be really good, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
But no, it's really good to see. I like it pumping up here. Headed down to the darkest of forests.
Don't go late though.
No, I've got you, it's alright. But there is, I don't know if you can properly see that, guys. Like Rita's like rat queue and fast track kind of things all been redone up.
Yeah, it has. I think
Yeah.
it's much better.
Yeah, I think it looks a little bit more sturdier and
Yeah,
things,
it
doesn't
does.
it?
And Rita's had all new restraints. Look, they're black now.
Yeah, it looks really good, to be fair, that does Rita. I think it's going to be much better for people getting on the ride.
Yeah, and at least they don't smell anymore.
No, yeah, the restraints did used to whiff a little bit, didn't
Yeah,
they?
they did.
But no, Rita, the Queen is back to her flying self.
She is on fire.
The sky ride is closed. Only for a little bit, though.
Only for a little bit, to be fair. So
I think until May time. So,
yeah, it's not the end of the world. And I know the monorail's closed at the moment, but they have got the buses on. So if you are going from the car park, staying at hotels, you can just get the buses down, so utilise them.
yeah, and always remember that platinum pass if you have got that. Get
Oh,
in the
yeah,
back way.
just go in the back entrance.
Just like us. But no, the sky ride says a bit of a shame. But I tell you what, when I was younger, I'm sure it never used to open this early anyway.
I'm sure it didn't either, but then again, I've never really used it.
Yeah, like, well, you don't see me on that thing, do you?
Yeah, you won't go on it anyway.
No,
so.
not at all. I don't mind. I'm fine. I am Towers. I'll use my feet. Big Bob firing around there, anyhow.
Always.
But there's a little bit of a change down here.
Yeah, just a little bit. They've got loaded spuds, but I'm not happy.
Yes, there used to be,
Bubble
Bubble
waffles,
waffles.
and they were so delicious.
and they've removed them, and we've got Spuds now.
And I was talking to you the other day and said, oh, I can't wait to get my waffle at Alton Towers. Wow.
Yeah, well, we didn't notice that on opening day, did we?
No, we didn't.
No, we didn't. I assume it's because of, like, the popularity, like Spud Bros and people like that.
Oh, yeah, they're massive
They're
now,
all
aren't
massive,
they?
aren't they? Yeah. But I'd rather me bubble waffle towels, so I'm not going to, like, hopefully, summer.
Yes.
Summer.
Yeah,
Have
get
summer
those sweet treats back, please.
Yeah, well, at least they're changing things up, aren't they? Mixing things up.
Yeah, something new.
Something new. Well, if you didn't want your Spuds, then, Ev, you
Yeah.
can get fish and chips.
Yeah, and to be fair, when we had fish and chips, when that was down by X Sector, they were banging, so.
Yeah, and I'm hoping it's here to stay, because there's a few signs about. There was one just out there.
And you do get annual pass discount on it, so.
Yeah, and I would say they're the best chips on park.
Yeah, I would too.
Yeah, so that's the best top tip there. But no, something I like to see. Big Bob's got all the changes down here, actually.
Yeah, the Beyond Bites has got ice cream and popcorn now.
Yeah, I thought it was just hot dogs before.
Yeah, it was just hot dogs before.
Because they were
so-
it was Sausage Man,
Yeah,
wasn't
it was Sausage Man. So keep an eye out for our food video because we'll dive into the menu.
We definitely will. But no, popcorn's nice to see you all. We did say it's the Disneyland of Stoke-on-Trent, didn't we?
We did.
And the Congo, Ev.
Yeah, we are.
We're on the Congo, the canyon of Congos. Anyway, we made across the pizza and pasta.
Yeah, and they've got a good deal on, to be fair, for mail-in annual pass holders.
There's quite a few million annual pass little foodie deals this year, isn't there? But
Yeah.
this is one of the bigger ones, I think.
It is indeed. So, after 2 p.m, if you've got a meal annual pass, you can come eat here for $16.75 if you're an adult and £10 for a child.
Which is pretty good actually, isn't it, to be fair?
Yeah, it is, because you do get a drink included. I know it's not like a pop,
No.
and it is just like juice, but that's still really good in my personal opinion.
I believe that's only changed over this year. Again, it's not one we've never surprisingly eaten in this place, have we?
No, considering the usual price is $23.25.
$23.25. So you're saving a bit of money there, aren't you?
Yeah.
Not bad at all, to be fair. Do you know what? I think we'll give it a go one day, won't we?
Yeah, I think we're going to have to, aren't we?
And I think on days like this, to be fair, it's open till 8 o'clock tonight, so it's probably best utilised in like your after darks, your Scarefest, your fireworks.
Yeah, definitely, because if you come at 4 PM,
It's
tea
your
time,
tea,
innit?
isn't it? Yeah. That's good bargain actually, isn't it, to be fair? Well, we'll give it a go. Stay tuned, guys. We'll definitely, as we keep saying, we're going to try so much food. We've got so many food videos planned, don't we?
We have, yeah.
Emily's got a few viewings today, hasn't she?
Yeah.
Very busy.
Everyone wants to go and have a look, but there is no open house anymore. We've bought it.
We bought it's in process. The contracts are being drawn up. Our bear prints are on there now, aren't they?
They are indeed. We've signed.
But in fact, actually, Emily's house is looking very nice. We did notice on opening day there's quite a few little updates in there.
Yeah, they've definitely added some more bits and pieces in there. I think the animatronic hand that's been built by a apprentice was really cool. But I'm sure that's replaced the gorilla hand. Does anyone remember the gorilla hand from last year? Because I definitely can.
Near the spider section by the bears, you'd recognise it.
Yeah.
But no, it definitely seems like Emily's doing renovations as usual. She wants more money off us, doesn't she?
Yeah, well, she wants that conservatory, doesn't she?
Well, we had to go and see Emily, didn't we?
Of course.
And this isn't definitely not new, guys, but you rarely see it, don't you?
I know, because most of the time it's the short queue line.
Yeah, usually you'll just go straight down there. This is the super extended.
We've gone to see Great Uncle Earl.
Oh, yeah, the Earl. He'll be doing well, won't he?
And just R.I.P.
What? Just RIP for that one, yeah.
Who's here?
My gravestone could be put in here, can't it? So if you didn't know, guys, there was a gravestone at Christmas with my name on.
Yes, there was.
It definitely wasn't for me. It's probably for someone who works at Alton Towers.
Probably, but we're calling it. It was yours.
It was mine. Well, you know what? It's been years since I'd seen that thing over there.
Oh yeah, she's right. She's closer than she was.
It's because she moves it now.
She used to be over there a little bit, and she never had an axe in her hand.
Well, she does now.
Oh God. To be fair, that is quite creepy.
Well, yeah, Emily's doing well now, isn't she?
Yeah, she is, but they moved the hand.
The hand's gone.
Like literally, we saw it last week.
Yeah.
I'm not dreaming there.
Where are you?
And I'm so sorry.
80 minutes for Nemesis. So we've made it onto Venom Valley. There isn't too much new in this area.
No, there isn't, but there is one new million annual pass perk if you're a platinum pass holder, so...
Let's go on it, and you get a one-shot fast track every time you visit, which is fantastic for us at Alton Towers, isn't it?
Yeah, it's the best.
So we're going to go on the Beast's Nemesis. We got a nice sunny golden Staffordshire Day weather ride.
Why not?
So that was really easy, wasn't it?
Yeah, less than 2 minutes, amazing.
Literally just scan your pass, like literally digital or physical pass. It's so easy.
It's got to be one of the best things Merlin have done.
Well done, Merlin. We're going to make the most of that this season, aren't
we? Yeah, definitely. And considering they've put obviously the back entrance in if you're platinum as well, that you can go through the hotel entrance. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Well, we did it out, didn't we?
Yeah,
Nemesis.
we
We just walked on that was so good.
Yeah, it was really good.
Well, unfortunately, we did break down again, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. It seems to be a running theme for Nemesis this year for us, but you know what? It means we get to spend longer on the ride.
It's just so we can take more in when we're just in the station now.
Yeah, love it.
We absolutely love it, to be fair. Credit to the staff there. No, absolutely great ride Nemesis and a fantastic perk, which is new for this year.
Yeah, brilliant.
Well, we've had fun going around looking for the new stuff today, haven't we?
Yeah, it's been really nice seeing all the updates, the new bits and pieces, and the hard work that they've put in over off-season.
It's surprising how much they actually get done, to be honest. You don't realise how much you notice when you come in. There's actually loads done this year, so credit to them. Well done, Towers.
There is, and even like little tiny bits that we've not done, like they've painted the toilets and stuff like that. So yeah, well done.
If there's any other changes, guys, let us know in the comments. We can't see everything, but if you've liked this one, leave a like, subscribe. Whoop whoop.